हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्कार। मैं अभिनव आप सबका स्वागत करता हूं। दोस्तों, आज का जो लेक्चर है वो सॉर्ड एंड इंडिसेस का थर्ड पार्ट है। ठीक है, इसके पहले हमने दो पार्ट बनाया है। इस टॉपिक को बेहतर ढंग से समझने के लिए, इस टॉपिक का बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट समझने के लिए फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड पार्ट जरूर देखें। आज के वीडियो में, आज के लेक्चर में हम एक इम्पोर्टेंट टाइप डिस्कस करने वाले हैं जो एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है और इस टाइप का सवाल हर साल एग्जाम में आते रहते हैं। तो आइए चलिए हम देखते हैं कि वो क्या, कौन सा टाइप है। ये टाइप है टाइप 3। इसमें क्या है कि ये क्वेश्चन है, इफ y इज इक्वल टू एक्स प्लस रूट एक्स प्लस रूट एक्स प्लस डॉट डॉट इनफाइनाइट, तो इसकी वैल्यू क्या होती है। ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले एक जनरल टर्म से हम समझते हैं कि इफ y इज इक्वल टू दिस एक्सप्रेशन देन वैल्यू ऑफ y विल बी if x is equal to n into n plus 1. So value of y will be n plus 1 if the sign of the expression is positive. If sign is positive and value of expression will be n if sign is negative. What does it mean? इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि ये जो n इंटू एन प्लस 1 है वो क्या है, बेसिकली x का फैक्टर है। दिस इज द फैक्टर, n इंटू एन प्लस 1 इज द फैक्टर ऑफ x एंड व्हाट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ दिस फैक्टर, द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज टू फैक्टर्स इज 1. okay, so for example if we are given this expression, so what will the value of this expression? So first of all we have to find the factor of this 6. So what will be the factor of 6? Look, factor of 6 will be such that the difference between these two factors will be 1. So we cannot factorize 6 as 6 is to 1, okay, because here difference is 5. So in what way we will be making factor of 6? So 2 and 3. So these are two factors and their difference is 1. So they are proper factor as far as such kind of question is concerned. So what will be the answer? Here 6 is equal to 2 and 3. So this implies the value of n and this implies the value of n plus 1. So what will be the answer? Here the sign in the expression is what? Positive. So value of this expression will be n plus 1, it means 3. So your answer will be 3. Let's understand by another example. Look, here what is given? 12. So what will be the factor of 12? 4 and 3. 4 and 3 is the factor of 12 and difference between these two factor is 1. So what will be our answer? Here first of all we will have to see that what is sign in the expression. So here sign is positive. So our answer will be 4 and this is equivalent to n plus 1. Okay, so our answer is 4. Now I will took another example like this, root 30 minus root 30 minus root 30 dot dot infinite. Then what will be the answer for this question? First of all we have to make factor of 30. So possible factor of 30 is best possible factor of 30 having difference 1 is 6 into 5. So here sign is negative, so our answer will be what? 5. So we can say that if sign is positive then larger factor will be our answer. If sign is positive then largest factor will be our answer, and if sign is negative, then smallest factor will be our answer. So because here sign is negative, so our answer will be smallest factor. So correct answer will be 5. Now look at this example. This is 2 root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2 dot infinite. So first of all, we have to make factor of the 2. So what is the possible factor of 2? That is one possibility, 2 and 1. And difference between these two is 1. So if sign is positive, so what will be our answer? Our answer will be 2. So value of this expression will be 2. Okay. Now take another example. Here, what will be the answer for this? Here, if x is equal to this and y is equal to this, then relation between x and y will be what? Very nice relation. If we take here sign is positive, then what will be the value of x? Value of x will be 2. Here because sign is negative, then value of y will be what? Value of y will be 1, because factor of 2 will be 2 and 1. So if sign is positive, so larger factor will be our answer. If sign is negative, then smaller factor will be our answer. So if we take what is the relation between these x and y, so we can say that relation between x minus y is equal to 1. This is the correct relation, because difference between these two is 1. Now similarly, if x is equal to this and y is equal to this, then what will be the relation between x and y? So of course, whatever we cannot factorize 4 in such a way that difference between these two factor is what? 1. But taking these two expressions together, we can say that x minus y is equal to 1. This will be the possible and correct relation. So now moving forward, next question. This is given. If x is equal to root 1 plus root 1 plus root 1 dot infinite, then what value of x lies between? Then what will be the value of x? So here 1 is given. So some of you might be, this question has been asked many times in SSC CGL mains. Okay. So what will be the answer? Just think of it. If you suppose that root 1 plus root 1 exact answer for this question is 1, so this is wrong. So this cannot be our answer. How? To solve this question and to find correct answer, we have to look something else. So if x is equal to root a plus minus root a plus minus root a dot infinite, then value of x will be what? Value of x will be what? Root 4a plus 1 plus minus 1 divided by 2. And if sign is positive, then we will be taking positive sign. If sign is negative, then we will be taking negative sign. Okay. So this is the important result expression, and we have to remember this. How it comes? If you square this equation, then you will get a quadratic equation, and a quadratic equation have two possible values. So one possible values will be plus sign, and second possible value will be of taking minus sign. So for example, if here we are taking root 2 plus root 2 plus root 2 dot dot infinite. Then what will be the value of a? Here a connote 2. So if we put value of a in this formula, we will be getting root 4 into 2 plus 1 plus minus 1. So here, because sign is positive, so we will be taking only positive sign. Okay, divided by 2. So here 2 2 ja 4 plus 1 9, and square root of 9 will be what? Here square root of 9 will be 3 plus 1 by 2, that is 4 by 2, and this implies what? 2. This implies 2. So you can say that the value of this expression will be 2. Now we are coming back to our question. Here root 1 plus root 1 plus 1. 1 is such a number, prime number, and 2 factors are not possible for 1. Okay. No. 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. So factor is not possible for 1. So if we use that formula, 4a plus 1, here sign is positive, so we will be taking positive sign by 2, and what you will get? Here you will get 4 into 1 plus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. So overall you will get root 5 plus 1 divided by 2. Now if you solve, then what will be the value of root 5? Square root of 5. What will be the square root of 5? So square root of 5 will be something 2.3, near about 2.3. Okay, 2.3. Or similarly, if you take these values for root 5, okay, so value of this will be what? 2.2 or 2.3. So if you take 2.2 or 2.3 or 2.2 and putting these values here, you will get 3.2 divided by 2. So if you divide 2 1 are 2 and 2.5. So here value of this expression will be 1.5, means more than 1. So value of x lies between 1 and 2. This option is also not correct. So value of x will lies between 1 and 2. So option B will be the correct answer. Okay. So now this is another example. These 3 questions has been asked many times in the examination. So if x is equal to this expression, then which of the following is true? So if x is equal to this, so we can put these expression in the formula, and we will getting under root 4a plus 1 divided by 2. So 4 into 3 plus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. So you will get root 13 plus 1 divided by 2, and root 13 plus 1 divided by 2. So what will be the value of root 13? So what will be the value of root 13? The value of root 13 will be 3.6 something, 3.6, or 3 3 ja 9, and 9 4, and 6 is 36. So 3.6 plus 1 divided by 2. So we will get 4.6 divided by 2. So 2.3. So value of this expression will be 2.3. 2.3. Okay. 3.6 plus 1 divided by 2. So 4.6 by 2, 2.3. So value of this will be more than 2 and less than 3. So our correct answer will be option D. So here value of this 2 is to 3, 2.3. So our correct answer will be option D. Okay. So let's take another example, and so root 19 minus root 19 minus root 19 dot 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 infinite. Then which of the following is true? Then which of the following is true? So for that we have to find the x is equal to root 4a plus 1. Here sign is negative, so we will put here negative sign and divided by 2. So if we put here 4 into 19 plus 1, 4 into 19 plus 1 minus 1 divided by 2. So we will be getting root 77 minus 1 divided by 2. And the value of root 77, what will be the value of root 77? 8 8 is 64. So 8.64 64 6 13 130 1300 13. Okay, so again 8 8 is 64. So here 8 7 7 आएगा, so more than 5. So here 8.8 minus 1 divided by 2. So here 7.8 divided by 2. So what will be the 3.4? So value of x will be 3.4. So value of x lies between what? 3.4. 3.4. Sorry, 3.9. Here it will be 3.9, not 3.4. 3.9. Value of this 3.9. So value of this axis lies between 3.5 to 4. 3.5 to 4 means option A will be the correct answer. So this is all about for today's session. We are meeting again in next video. Until that, thank you so much. And if you are watching my video first time and you haven't subscribed my channel, then please do subscribe. And if you are liking my video, then please do like and comment and share my video. Thank you so much.